The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Elkhart County, Indiana, southern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gullavoyer Park, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, Plymouth, Napanee, Bremen, Gullavoyer Park, Granger, Osceola, North Liberty, Wakarusa, Lakeville, La Paz, Tea Garden, Woodland, Linkville, Lake of the Woods, and Wyatt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Marshall, and St. Joseph. The special